Hey, what's going on, guys? So I'm using my '03 Cobra as an example. I'm pretty sure this is like a common problem in all Ford vehicles, but at least every new Edge SN95 Mustang I've ever owned, this has been an issue. The seat belts are always like just all twisty and stuff, when you have them on. I know it's not like an actual problem, it's just something that bothers me and it's something that I'm taking care of. Obviously, there's a bunch of forums about it, so clearly it bothers a lot of other people as well. But you see, it's all straight from there going in, right? And it's all twisted down here. That may not bother a lot of people. It bothers me. A lot of people say to just twist the actual buckle around the belt. I tried that, and then this flips, and the bottom part of that rivet ends up being up. It's just, if these kind of little things bother you, they bother me. So to me, it's worth putting in the time to do this. So what I'm doing is removing this whole piece. It's a T50 Torx bit, I believe. Let me take a look. Yeah, let's see if I can get a focus right there. T50 Torx bit. Go ahead and pop that out. There's going to be a little rubber washer and a kind of like almost like a locking washer on the other side of it. Just pull those off. The whole seatbelt slips out of here. Flip the seatbelt and then put it back in there. You could just flip this whole thing, but then it's not going to ride along this curve nicely anymore. So again, those are the little things that I notice and they bother me. So just take that whole bolt out, take this seatbelt out of this plastic piece, flip the seatbelt around, put it back, and then your seatbelt will sit just fine. So I don't think I really need to show you guys how to do that, but I'll show you what it looks like on the other side now that I got it done over there. Alright, so here's the other side. You got the seatbelt coming out straight, all the way down. It's buckled, goes through, the rivet's facing up, comes down, and there's no twist. If those little things bother you guys, I mean, it takes less than a minute to do it. If you don't care, don't do it. It's as simple as that. There's just a bunch of forums on this online, and based off of that, I mean, I'm sure it bothers a lot of people. It's been bothering me for a long time. I've been putting it off just because I'm kind of like, well, whatever, it's not that big of a deal. But I was cleaning the inside of the car today, and, well, like I said, it's something that bothers me, so I've gone ahead and flipped it around. So that's it, guys. Real simple. Remember to like this video and subscribe. Peace.